Namaste, crypto fictionados and my fellow capitalists. I hope you guys are doing great. And I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, and please do your due diligence when you're investing in any cryptocurrency because cryptocurrencies are risky and you can lose all your money, right? So, please, guys, I hope you can support my channel. I want to grow my channel, right? And I'm here with a great project, and it's called Project Europa, right? So, guys, so I'm quite focused now on looking at projects, that can give us a good passive income. In fact, a lot of CT, a lot of crypto Twitter folks are into this as well. So, strong blocks, core nodes, power. I made a video on power the other day. So people want to invest in projects that can give them passive income. And so a project Europa is similar to this, but it has a DeFi twist to it. So it brings bringing the evolution in DeFi and nodes as a service with interactive income. So it's a DeFi, it's a DaaS and a NaaS project where DeFi meets the metaverse, right? So, excuse me. So what they're saying is that the existing node-based DeFi as a service protocol has created an uncertain investment environment, and they want to make DaaS a better playing field with the introduction of an interactive income community-centered project. So the word is community-centered, okay? Because as you will see, what they are gearing towards, or what they are, the ethos of this project is. It's about the community, right? So Project Europa introduces an interactive node system where you can level up, right? Merge nodes into bigger ones, trade NFTs, and boost your APYs through the roof and take part in time-limited events, all while making money, right? So this is something different because the projects out there, the run-of-the-mill projects out there, they are not, it's not a thing, right? It's totally different, right? So as you know, that Ring and its forks have been around for a while, and it's unsustainable, right, for some of the projects because the APYs are too high. And I will just mention to you like Hector DAO. At one time, it was in millions in APY, hundreds of thousands in APY, and now it's just a few hundred. So it's like that, right? So the DAOs and the nodes as a service and the DeFi as a service, all these kind of things, they do run into that because how are you going to get? Because a lot of people they make money as the market cap goes out, as more and more people put in money. The earlier ones are the ones who came in early, they make the most, right? So it's mostly like that, right? But Project Europa, they want to take these things, certain parts of these things, buying a token, making the node, and having lifetime returns. But at the same time, they want to tweak it in such a way where that people don't dump easily, right? So they have this dynamic cool down mechanic, right, that prevents people from dumping the token, right? And they want the community, they want growth, organic growth. So as you can see here, there is going to be three tiers, right? Tier one is 10 orbit, and the daily reward is 0.075 orbit. Tier 2 is 190 orbit, and the daily reward is zero point 0.9 orbit. Tier 3 is 6,900 orbit, and the daily reward is 55 orbit a day, right? Which can be huge. But the thing is that the tier 1 nodes will be made cheaper to create in order to make the protocol accessible, and these can then be merged into T2 nodes and later T3 nodes, right? So for people who have stuck with the protocol for longer and would like to get handsome bonuses on APY, right? This is for them, right? And if you were to directly create a T2 node or a T3 node, that is possible, but there will be a heavy tax to it. So there's a caveat, and the caveat is a heavy tax, right? So you can read all these things, but from this you know that what they want you to do, they want you to create a node that gives you a daily return. They want you to gain levels by interacting with the protocol, right? And they want you to merge after that slowly as you compound, and then you merge into a higher tier. and then using by minting NFTs, they want to help you boost the APY. So this is something different. This is something that projects don't have. Even the population control, like you need a passport if you want to interact with this project, with this protocol, right? I mean, you can buy and you can hold, the tokens. That's okay, right? You can buy and hold the tokens. That's fine, and then you can sell it. But if you want to create those tiers that gives you money, that gives you daily rewards, right? They are actually looking into population control. You have an NFT. You will have to have an NFT to go in. If you don't have an NFT, you can't go. So the NFT I heard is about $50, right? That is like a passport, right, for you to go in. And these are the people that were serious, and then from there they go tier one, tier two, tier three, something like that, right? And you can read more about this, and you can see the user level rewards, where the users will gain experience levels interacting with the protocol can mean creating, merging, and purchasing nodes, as well as trading and using NFTs. As the user level increases, the users afforded more perks and discounts on the mall system. So it rewards the users. It rewards the number of time, the amount of time that you have been inside the protocol, that you are growing. So I think it's good, right? Because you don't want people to come here and create a node and then make money and then dump and then so they are looking at a longer term, right? So this could be a very, very good play, by because this project I'm not seeing. I mean, there's not many projects like this, right? Where you could use NFTs, you could mint NFTs, and as you know, if you have NFTs, you could sell it on the marketplace and all that, right? You can mint and trade NFTs with other people, perhaps a better perks, that kind of thing, right? And these NFTs will be play a key role, right? So yeah, you can take a look at this and let me know what you think. You know, I think this project deserves to take a look. You should take a look at it, and it will be the public launch is going to be launched in March. Now they are doing the alpha and their beta launches. It's on AVEX chain, right? So yeah, before I forget, it's on the AVEX chain. The token is called Orbit, right? It's called Orbit, and the good thing is that the project team will be doxed before public launch. So before the public launch, they will dox the team, and it will be fully audited. That's one thing that we all want to know, right? Whether it's audited or not. So guys, you could take a look at this and let me know what you think about this project, and also what projects you are looking at that can make money, because we are here to make money, guys. So guys, thank you so much, and I just want to say namaste.